Hello, great people, African traveler again, and today is a beautiful day, and we're going to take you guys to Ngara. Ngara is one of those business districts that are very, very close to the main Nairobi CBD, which is the main district. For the longest time, Ngara, that is colonial Kenya, Ngara used to be predominantly an Asian area. This is where most of the railway workers, the clerks, the accountants used to reside. And but right now things have really changed over time. So Ngara for many years has been known to be the launching pad into Nairobi for so many students. It has been well populated with both men's and ladies' hostel and also dotted with predominantly Indian homes. So for the longest time, as I said, this was a predominantly Indian area. Right now it's not the same case. Right now we also have so many students thanks to very close proximity to the CBD. However, with the more demand for land near the city center, the suburb have had to give way. Upperhill, Westlands and Kileleshwa had become a playground for the big boys. The only other area to expand is either towards Jogoo Road or Ngara, and so a new face of Ngara has emerged. So guys, over the time, so many of the small 1 or 2 floors building, mostly for housing the Indian community over the time, has been giving way to very, very high rise around Ngara, as you can see from above. Ngara profile is quickly rising and opening the area for more investment and opportunities. The National Housing Corporation is among the institutions that long identified the potential of Ngara. The state corporation built 655 units of civil servant houses in 2013. The space came equipped with restaurant, playing ground for the children's nursery school. Some residents agree that modern building makes better use of the space and are profitable. Kenya has a housing deficit of about 150,000 units annually. The industry develops about 30,000 units each year. Therefore, the transformation taking place in Ngara is expected to house more Kenyans. The old residents of the area used to spacious room, a fact that is now being eroded as developers limit the space for more gains. The residents feel that the space constraint is affecting their communal style of living, forcing others to rent more expensive houses if they want to continue living communally, especially as you understand the Asian community usually enjoy living as a community. The old residents are really not finding the new boom working to their favor. So a lot of the housing estates that are coming up right now are mostly affordable housing estate that are mostly bed-sitter, one bedroom, and to some extent 2 bedrooms that are really affordable, ranging from about $1 million to about up to $3 million. So among the estates that are changing the face of Ngara include the River Estate development. The River Estate is a residential development situated along Jodongo Road next to Ngara Girls High School in Nairobi, Kenya, sitting on a 2.3 hectares piece of land just outside the Nairobi CBD. River Estate will comprise 8 apartment blocks, each with a total of 34 floors, making the estate the tallest of its kind in the capital city. Each of the blocks will house 340 units, 3 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and 1 bedroom units, for a total of 2,720 high-rise apartments. Other than the apartment building, the River Estate will include 875 parking slots for tenants, adequate space for children, playgrounds, shopping complex with 60 outlets, among other facilities. In addition, the project developer also pledged to put up a bridge from the estate to Grogan Road across the Nairobi River in a bid to ease the movement of people in and out of the River Estate. The 70 million USD project is being financed jointly by the national government of Kenya and the county government of Nairobi, in line with the government affordable housing agenda. Wow, this will be a humongous project that everybody in Nairobi is curious to see how it will turn. But to me, I think it will going to turn Nairobi into some sort of Hong Kong. We can't wait to see the final product. But we went to the site, and the development is really fast-paced. The second project is the Park Road project, whose construction started in April 2019. It's the first low-cost housing development to be completed by the national government under the Big Four 500,000 unit affordable housing program. The low-cost houses consist of 546 three-bedroom units of 60 square meters selling at 3.5 million shillings. There are also 263 bedroom units measuring 80 square meters, each selling at 4 million shillings. The government has also put up for sale 228 two-bedroom houses selling at 3 million shillings and another 252 units selling at 2 million shillings each. The houses target those people who are earning up to 50,000 a month. There are also 84 units of one-bedroom houses selling at 1.5 million, target those people who are earning about 20,000 shillings a month. So this is really, really friendly rates for such kind of houses. Last but not least is the Civil Servant Housing Scheme, which was actually the first project to change the face of Ngara. Was established in 2004. The establishment of the fund is in line with the National Housing Policy for Kenya 2004, sensational paper number 3. The policy, among other things, called for employers to facilitate their employees to acquire housing, that employees should be able to afford to live in the community or neighborhood in which they work. And there are multiple benefits to being able to do so. In 2012, the Housing Corporation built the 656 units Ngara housing project in Nairobi, the largest civil servant housing scheme in Kenya in the recent time, at a cost of 2 billion Kenya shillings. The scheme consisted of 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom apartment, which were sold for 2.3 million and 4.2 million each, respectively. The scheme is said to have benefited thousands of civil servants who either rented their houses or sold them to public. Most of those who bought into the project benefited from a 5% mortgage facility through the Civil Service Housing Fund in Kenya, which had a payment period of up to 18 years. So guys, those are the major projects that are really, really changing the face of Ngara. And as you can see, most of them are initiated by the government of Kenya, not forgetting some of a smaller scale which are done by individual people. So from that, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like. Don't forget to share, and please also suggest where you'd like to see next. Please don't forget to like the video. That is the way to support and push the video. Thank you guys, and see you guys on the next upload. Peace out.